This is PK Samantray. I welcome you all to Smart Gyan. Today we will start a new topic, how to find cube root of numbers. Let us start the journey. Cube root of 8,04,357. 93, that is 93 is cube root of 8,04,357. Then coming to next one, it will be 69 is the cube root of 3,28,509. Then coming to the next one, that is 48 is the cube root of 110,592. Then last one will be 84 is the cube root of 5,92,704. How to find cube root of numbers? Simply we have to divide the number into groups of 3 digits from right. For example, in this question 357 is one group from right and 804 is another group. So first step 1 is we have to divide the number into groups of 3. Then step 2, we will find one digit for each group. This is step 1 and this is step 2. We will find one digit as root digit for each part. That is, for this right part 357, 3 is the root digit, as 3 is complementary digit of 7 and 7 is also complement to 3. So what is complementary digit we will learn in a couple of minutes. Next one is 804. Then 804 is cube root is 9. Take a such a number for this digit, left part take such a number whose cube is either equal to 804 or less than 804. We know that 9 cube is 729. 9 cube is 729, which is less than 804. 10 cube is 1000 greater than 804. That's why 93 is cube root of 8,04,357. I have mentioned here these important points. So if you need, you pause the video and try to understand this. Next, okay, this is very important. What are the prerequisites to find cube root of numbers within 2 seconds? Maximum you will take 2 seconds. That is, what are the prerequisites? So you have to learn cube of natural numbers up to 10. 1 cube is 1. If you observe here, a root digit is same in both the cases. If you observe, that is unit digit in both the cases is same. That is, here 1 cube 1, 4 cube unit digit is 4, 64, 4 cube 64 unit digit 4, 5 cube 125 unit digit 5, 6 cube 216 unit digit 6, 9 cube 729 and unit digit is 9, and 10 cube 1000 unit digit is 0. So if you observe carefully, these 6 digits 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10 are known as repeating digits. These are known as repeating digits, whereas this blue column, all these digits are known as complementary digits. These are known as complementary digits. What is complementary digits? Let us try to understand complementary digits. 2q is 8, 2 and 8 both are complement to each other. 3q is 27, unit digit 7, 3 to 7 both are complementary to each other. 7q 343, unit digit 3, 7 is to 3 complement to each other. Then 8q 512, 8 is to 2 complement to each other. So these 4 digits are complementary. So how to apply this to different questions? Let us move to questions. First one given 15,625. Cube root, find cube root of 15,625. So as I have already mentioned in previous question, that is group the numbers from right, that is group of 3 digits from right, and here you then next 15,625 one group, 15 another group. So then find one root digit for each group and here root digit of 6 to 5, right part is 5 and for left part is 2, that is 25. How? Let me explain. For right part, check the unit digit of the right part, that is as unit digit is 5, then here it is 5. This is repeating digits, these are repeating digits 5 to 5. If you observe here 5 Q 125 both are repeated, these are all repeating digits except okay, these are 2, 3, 7, 8, remaining all 6 digits are including 10 Q 1000, they are all repeating digits. But for left part you have to find such a number whose Q is either 15 or less than 15, whose Q is equal to left part or less than left part. Here 2 Q is 8, 3 Q is 27, which is greater than 15, that is why we will take 2 as root digit of left part. So, your final answer is 25. I hope by this time you have been able to understand this. Next, move to next question. The approach is same, simply we have to find root digit, that is here it is 3 and here it will be 8, 3 over, that is 1 second for one left part and 1 second for right part. That is what I have promised you. Maximum you will take 2 seconds to find Q root of numbers up to 10 lakh. How it is? Here if you analyze 7:3 are complementary to each other. Look here, 7Q is 343 and 3Q is 27, that is as 7 is unit digit of the number, then a root digit will be 3, that is here unit digit is 3. Then coming to left part, it is 571 is given left part. So, 8Q is 512 whereas 9Q is 729 and 729 is greater than the given part, that is 571, that is why we have taken such a number which is equal to left part or less than left part. And here we came to know that 8Q is 512 which is less than 571, that is why 8 is your root digit of left part. So, your final answer is 8, 3. Okay. Next is 4,05,224. Here it will be 4 and this one will be 74. 7Q is 343 whereas 8Q is 512 which is greater than 405. That is why we will take 7 as left part and 4 here, 4 is repeating digit. This is 4 is repeating digits, means here 4 cube is 64, unit digit is 4. So, both means these all the digits of red column are repeating digits, root digit and unit digit both are same repeated. It is quite easier. Next one is, it will be next one, that is 3,553 over. Next that is 7, 6, that is over. Then next is, this much time you will take, not more than this, simply you will take 2 seconds, that is here 9 and here it will be 7. 7Q is 343, 8Q is 512 greater than 493, that is why 7 as left part and 9 is repeating digit, that is why we take 9 as right part. Thank you all. If you like this video, subscribe my channel and also share among your friends so that it reaches as many as friends and they can take advantage like you also from the videos. And don't forget to comment, okay, and you can also contact us in the given mail ID and through WhatsApp. Thank you all, have a nice time.